Hello, dear friends. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Mohammad Rubel Mia. Currently, I'm studying in Banking and Insurance Department, University of Rajshahi. Second year and second semester is ongoing. So today, I'm going to share time value of money with Microsoft Excel. So let's get started and learn how to solve many financial problem with Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. So I'm going to share the screen so you guys can easily understand. So here you can see Excel and column A and column B. So before going to share this topic, I wanna say something about time value of money and the uses of Microsoft Excel in case of solving these financial problems. Basically, we know that computer is a part and parcel in our daily life. In every sector, computer has another contribution in solving and instructing various problems. So nowadays, without computer, we cannot think a single moment um, in our life. So now all the financial problem can be solved easily and rapidly by using Excel function like as financial calculators. So now the question is that how we can do it. For answer of this question, we want to select actually I want to select time value of money mission and the ways are as follows. Problems related to time value of money. So here actually there are many different problems and we can solve easily through the Microsoft Excel. Short description of the ways to solve such problems is actually I'm going to share today. So here I have to actually I will calculate future value by using Microsoft Excel. This is why I have to give some information which is related to solve future value actually. So first of all, I have to write present value. Here you can say present value. So if I erase, then I have taken right. So just for um, actually from the beginning to see the ways actually. That's why I'm writing again. So at first I have to write present value. So writing present value. Present value. So here in column B, you can see present value is 650. We can change the amount, no problem. So change the amount actually. So you can write down 750. Okay, wrote 750. Then we have to write actually years. How many years? So write years actually. So here you can see 10 years it has. We can change the number. We can give 9 years. Okay, so then annual rate actually, then we have to write down annual rate. So let's write down annual rate actually. Annual rate, we don't know actually. Here it has given 13%, so we can change the amount. So we can write 12% actually. So then number 4 actually we have to keep it blank, just because actually nothing. So if if we keep it blank, then it would be easy to understand. Okay, so skip that option and go to another option, that is 5. So here you can see actually we want future value. That's why you have to write future value actually. Which output which actually do you want? So that output you have to write in this column. So here you can see actually we want future value, that's why we have to write future value. So we are writing here future value. Actually we don't know what would be the future value, so here it has uh, given an amount, but we don't know what would be the amount after calculation. So let's get started the main point and focus on it. What would be the amount? Actually we don't know actually what would be the amount. So for getting the amount we have to click equal sign. Actually first of all equal sign, we have to give an equal sign, and after giving equal sign, actually what do you want? Actually we want future value, so write down if we. So I have written if we, then after if we, then we have to click first bracket. Okay, so give first bracket, then here you can see the formula, but it's okay, it will be very easy to understand. Just look at the formula, you can easily understand. They are saying to give the rate at first. Okay, so just click, you can click on uh, rate, or you can write v3. So actually to save our time, we can click on it. So click, I have clicked on right, that is b3. Then I have to give a comma, then I have given a comma. Then here you can see nper, that means number of years. Actually we know that we have to give of course number of years. You can see here that is number of years. Then if we just click on it, then it would be it will take it automatically. Okay, so click, I have clicked on it, then it is number of years b2. So again, like previous, I have to give comma option, you can see here. So pmt, actually that is payment. What is payment? Actually we don't know that there is no payment of years, just because we are calculating future value, we are not calculating annuity. That's why we don't need this option, so skip this option. Or you can write 0, just because we don't have this option, and need to give comma. Okay, then we know that here you can see PV. Actually what is the present value? Of course we have to give. So here you can see number B column B1 present value. Just need to click on it, then it will take automatically. Then we can give comma, or we can close the bracket. Then automatically if we enter the uh, if we click on enter option, then automatically we will get the result. So without further delay, and don't waste time, just click on or close the bracket and click on enter button. Then you guys can see the result. Actually the result is 2079.81 dollars. Actually we could easily solve this interesting time value of money in case of calculating, in case of finding the result future value by given present value, years and annual rate. So in this way we can solve various problems in case of time value of money. So I hope you guys can easily understand how to calculate future value by using Excel. So that's all for today's video, and thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you will be benefited in case of solving time value of money to find out future value by given present value, years and annual. So thank you very much again. That's all for today.